Hey guys, this is a new tutorial. Welcome to Crafter Encoder. In this is completely beginner friendly, in which we teach you how to make a game from scratch, like from literally nothing, publish it, market it, and how to actually go on about it. Like what are the different steps after making the game? Like where do you post it? Like all the beginner questions and everything are covered. The problem that we faced, we do not want you to face. Okay, just a brief introduction. This is Coder from Crafter and Coded, where we aim and strive for helping each and everyone in the community as we can. The world is a community that we all should strive to work for. So with that said, let's start. Okay, if you I'm using 2017 because the 32-bit people can use Unity 5 and the 64 can use Unity 2019, so there's no much difference among them. So if you're from 2019 also you can follow along, 2017 also you can follow along. There are no major differences and everything is same. Okay, so first thing what we'll be starting will be is a 3D object that we call ground. Because ground is the base. Without the base, the foundation, without the foundation, the building is useless. So just reset this. Reset meaning like it comes on 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. So now we can scale this to 30 and 30. Okay, this is our ground. The next thing we need are some walls. Okay, we'll add some walls after the player. Okay, this is the player. Okay, we'll keep him cubicle for now and we'll change his shape afterwards. Cubicle. Okay, we'll keep him position 1 and yeah. The next thing we need is some walls. So create some empty game object, rename it walls, and in walls create 3D object cube. Okay, let this cube be 30x big. And this should be 1. Wait, the grounds is 0, players is 1, this should also be 1. Okay, this should be 1. We're giving grounds is 1. Keep players 2 and keep cubes 2. A 1 or a 0. Okay, it fits perfectly on the ground. So just keep it exactly. It should come for 15 actually. 15 will be the perfect one and it will fit exactly 15 because see, the space is divided into 2 with 0 as a center. How do I show it? You can use this as a Cartesian plane. So if this is the midpoint and this entire thing is 1 and this is the midpoint of this line, as you can see. I know it's really hard to explain. Wait, let's just go and paint. Okay, I'm really bad at drawing, so okay, this is a center. Okay, so let's just drawing the line from the center. Okay, if this is the center and this entire thing is 30, then this will be 15 and I'm really bad at it. 15. Okay, that's what we are using logic there. Okay, now let's go in Unity and yeah, simply just duplicate this and put minus 15 because we want it to go on the other side. Okay, so again you can duplicate this and this time you have to do a little bit different. Put this one, make this 30, put this 0 and put this minus 15. Okay, similarly duplicate this one and this will become plus 15. and now you have literally everything you need except the obstacles that we'll be covering in the next one. So now create a folder, colors. Don't forget to like the video. Okay, create material. First we'll use red. Red is literally this. Okay, highly metallic. Then go for green. Green will be somewhere around this. Okay, and last but not the least, blue. We'll be using more like yellow and afterwards for obstacles, but not today. It's like really late, like 3:30 a.m. There's some mistake. Let's just put this here so that you have the originality of blue. Make it dark. Okay, the player should be blue. The base should be red. The borders can be green. You can literally drag and drop from here, or you can drag and drop here. It's your wish. Okay, now go in player. Now we'll be adding something called rigid body. Rigid body is nothing but giving the object a body, like the gravity we have, like the mass we have, etc. Like personifying kind of not in sense as a human but as an object. Okay, the next thing we'll be creating a new script for movement. Okay, it'll come here, create a new folder for scripts because we'll have a bunch of them. Wait, sorry, 1 second, just delete this. Create folder, scripts. Like when you arrange, it will actually help you afterwards. This is just starting and it's a good habit to be arranged. I wrote scripts. Leave it, we'll change it afterwards. Go and open and save. Okay, cancel. You can this. Okay, now this is the file. You can move this, use this for initialization, use this once from frame. We're not gonna get affected by it. So first thing we need is speed at which the object will move. So public float speed. Second thing we need is public rigid body RB. Okay, now RB is equal to get component rigid body and control, or you can just save this. Okay, now in update, or you can even do this in fixed update. Fixed update is actually better for physics related work, but it's totally your choice at the end of the day. So float move or horizontal movement HM is equal to input sorry, input dot get access. This will be horizontal. That head should be capital horizontal and okay. Now same thing, just copy paste it. Vertical movement is equal to, this will be vertical. I just use double quotes instead of single quotes. The thing is, in other languages like Python, you can use any, and I think you can use any here, but I'm not so sure. So after this is done, you can simply just go on to the next version. So now to move anything, the transform requires 3 x, y, z. So input get access horizontal is the horizontal movement, input y axis is the horizontal y movement. So yeah, we do not want it to move up, right? And we'll be using first thing vector 3. V should be capital, vector 3, what should we call it? Move, okay, is equal to first new vector 3. Now it should have 3 coordinates, right? So first will be horizontal movement, then we do not want it to go up, that is y, so that will be 0.0 f, like everything is in floats, and then finally will be vn, and you can close this. Now rb dot add force, where a is also supposed to be capital. You can simply just use movement or move into speed. We just save this and come back. Okay, let it just load. Okay, now in player, when you will go move down in the script, you have speed. Speed, let's keep it 10 and just drag and drop player into rigid body. Okay, now let's just play. This enters into game mode when you click on the arrow and it is blue, that means it's in game mode, so anything you do in the editor is not safe, so it's advised not to do anything. See, you can see the player moving. This actually looks pretty cool. One more thing what you can add is, wait, let's just decrease the size so that it blocks it. 0.5, wait, not keep this one, keep this 0.5, so it blocks the way. 0.5, control C, you can just copy paste this here. Okay. Now when everything is done, I'll just load it here. We'll just move it a bit in because that is actually literally at the edge of the border. So yes, now player, okay, if we do not want it to roll around and do, what we can do is fix It gives you a good effect. You can do this by arrow keys, and if you want you can increase the force and try with different forces until you are comfortable. Let's try with 20. uh, See, pretty much looks really good. I like the movement and I hope you like the video too. So until then, goodbye. This is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And question of the day is, why do you actually want to make a game? So until then, goodbye and all the best.